It's another day, some more bullshit. Look, the 540 is gonna have a new home by the end of today. I posted this thing for sale, and I originally wanted to trade somebody for a specific car, but it didn't work out, so we're getting something else. This car's a little small. I'd say if you're over
6 foot,
if you're over 5'10", don't get a 540.
are you calling me 5'10"?
I mean, what are you?
6'1"?
Oh, okay.
Are you 6'3"?
Nah, I'm like 5'10".
Shut the fuck up.
Anyway,
You have to stop a mile before.
bro,
Oh, that was
you're
good.
fucking scaring me.
You have to stop a mile before the actual stop so you can.
It's not even turning here, bro. That's why I don't let people drive. What the fuck?
This is Rancho.
Instead of going to Reno or him coming to Vegas, we're gonna meet him not quite halfway. Damn, what the fuck? If this shit gets totaled right now, it's on you, big dog.
It's on me or the
Not
truck?
the truck.
Oh, I was about to say.
Anyways, we're heading out of Vegas right now. It's a little bit iffy weather. Kind of looks like we're gonna get some rain. On the way back, it can rain, because I don't give a fuck. I'll swing the shit out that piece of shit. Anyways, 555 for all you sluts. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
About that, man?
I'm just kidding. 2 hours. What the fuck is that?
It's an Audi.
We're having a nice little trip. Heat working a little too good.
Yeah, it's a little hot.
So we're heading out of the shithole right now. Gonna go to Tonopah. We're gonna rescue this beautiful
We have
car.
to pass the mountains, the jail,
Hey,
Indian Springs.
there's one house out in the middle of the desert. How do you do it, big dog? The skinwalkers, the chupacabras, Sasquatch, Saskatchewan, all that other shit out there. The hills have eyes, Jeepers Creepers, holes.
Oh,
Stanley Yelnads out there. We're about an hour on the road. Shit looking crazy. Mount Chiliad's in the distance. Oh my god.
It's scary.
Bro, on this
It's about to be
camera,
nighttime.
look on this camera. That shit is, we're rolling into what fucking looks like a apocalypse.
Oh,
Sheesh, this is sketchy. Over
it's gonna
here,
be nighttime.
over here, look at this. Beautiful, clear weather. And then,
Ready, we're about to roll into nighttime.
that's interesting. It's taking a turn for the worst, and we're not prepared, but that's fine. Hopefully he is. Okay, once again, bro, the whole entire color of the sky just changed.
Nighttime.
Bro, I'm scared.
Ready? Headlights.
Just turn on the halos. Sheesh. Bro, this is fucking crazy. Damn. That's bad. It literally, within like a snap of a finger, just changed complete colors out here. Now it's dark out.
It looks like it's windy here too.
That's crazy. Sheesh. I'm scared. Hurry up, bitch.
Oh,
You literally can't even see what's cloud and ground because it's... Damn, these people mobbing, bro. This shit's sketchy. I miss Vegas. Nah, I'm just kidding. All these signs are what kind of food they have. I'm sorry, but I'm not eating shit from here. Damn. Yard sale.
the mini house.
Ooh, trampoline in that, John. There's your truck. Oh, bro, someone stole your truck. Oh my God, someone stole your truck.
Oh, we're in town. That's what you say. We're cowboys now. We're heading into town.
Howdy, partner.
Oh, fuck.
Town ain't big enough for the both of us.
Tonopah.
There we go.
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner in that fucking tiny place?
Bro, there's only 3 people that live here. Oh yeah, we're in Goldfield.
Oh, is this?
Yeah, here's the Goldfield sign. So we're 28 minutes out from Tonopah. Goldfield days. Goldfield slow down.
25.
Gas station not even in service.
Yo, private fueling.
Shell. Damn. Where the gas at, big dog? Damn, old ass cars in there.
Bro.
I bet you these cars are worth hella money. All the mountains got snow on them. We're gonna get there early, so we're gonna have about 30-40 minutes of absolutely nothing to do. So if you live on Tonopah, hit me up.
Where the Tonopah whores at?
Don't listen to
For
him.
me.
This place is so nice, Frederico. It's so fucking cold outside. 540 made it like a champ. Sheesh. Hella good parking, Frederico. Hella good parking, bro. It's just sick. There's literally snow and ice on the ground. I'm in slides. I'm in slides, big dog. I don't know where we at right now, but this place is fresh. Nobody is out here. Hey, let's go get swole.
You can roll the dice.
It's a setup. These guys just pulled up. It's a setup. They're coming out. We're driving home in a fucking piece of shit. Nah, it's not that bad. I would rate this car 6 out of 10 condition. It's 149,000 miles. Check engine lights on, airbag lights on. Pixels are out on the lower check control. Has a really shitty aftermarket singleton unit, and it just doesn't work at all. So we're just annoyed by this. Yep, I don't know if it's muffler or just resonator delete, but super droney, and the heat barely works, and it's blowing, smells like coolant. So me and Frederick have, god damn, me and Frederick have a headache from smelling the coolant and whatever, and we're driving through
Fog.
I don't know what the fuck is going on, but this is terrible. This is super sketchy. The car tracks all over the place. Clutch is shit. The shifting feels like it's fucking diagonal pattern, so straight up and down is not second and third. If you were in first and went straight down, you go to fourth. If you went straight up, you went to fifth. So it's really weird to shift, and it's super sketchy. So we're just trying to maintain and get through this and to get it home so we can take a better look at this thing and see what needs to be replaced. Because god damn, this is the worst car I've ever driven. But take that somewhat lightly, somewhat serious, because we are spoiled with the M cars and the F80, especially driving basically a brand new M car. This thing feels like shit. You literally can't see anything on the road. This is like no visibility fog, and it's so thick, and it's literally everywhere. Bro, come on, bro. The E36 made it back to Vegas. We had one part where I was clenching my cheeks because the throttle was stuck, and it was stuck at 3K, and then I put it in neutral and it bumped up to 5.
Basically, it's an old car from the 90s.
Basically, it's a fucking piece of shit, and I miss my 540 so much.
Yeah.
So I don't think my girlfriend will want this, and I don't feel really comfortable giving this to her in the condition that it is. So if you see a Facebook post, marketplace, offer up, and post it in one of the groups, don't worry about it. Just keep on scrolling unless you got cash. We'll get into depth with a real video out in the sun. We'll get a video hopefully tomorrow. I got one more day off. Oh yeah, solid pickup. Psych, this thing's a piece of shit. The M3 is officially home. It made it home, no problems. It was a little sketchy to drive, and it's pretty dark out here. So this car, I know we talked a lot of shit about it, but we got high standards, so that's how it is. Exterior wise, there's really no flaws. I mean, the paint could use a good, I don't even think a cut, I just think a good polish and buff, and this thing would really clean up. All the wheels look mint. I'm sorry, it's super dark out here. We'll get some more official footage tomorrow, but I don't want to end the video without showing the exterior of the car. We picked up the car pretty quick and got on the road. I don't know the official name, but the M-Star wheels, front's good. Headlights need a good polish. Passenger side, same thing. Wheels are mint, perfect. We talked a lot of shit, had a bunch of fun in the video. So don't take everything too serious, just have a good time. I appreciate everyone who watched this video, especially if you got all the way to the end. It means a lot if you watch all the videos. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know your thoughts, what you want to see with this car. If you have any input, maybe some helpful tips on some parts to buy that we complained about. Other than that, I'll get back to you guys tomorrow with an official video in the sun, and we'll clean this thing up and get some real good beauty shots of it. So I appreciate you guys. Continue watching, and if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. We got a lot of stuff to do. We got a couple other M3s on the channel. I just picked up E36 M3 3 days ago. Picked up the 540 a week ago. So there's a bunch of good stuff on the channel. Go ahead and check it out if you're interested. I really appreciate it. Other than that, we'll get back to you tomorrow.